refutation. We're adding the refutation. So this is kind of a big one that we're adding. So we've already told why I believe he should follow the white witch. Now I'm going to tell you why he shouldn't. So we're going to start with, and just to be clear, this goes after your proofs, before your conclusion. So I'm going to do this up actually.
Yeah.
All right. We're going to start with your counter thesis. That is the should not. Or if you were doing should not, it would be the should. That would be your counter thesis. So Edmund should not go with the white witch. Okay? And the first, you're going to have your counter proof 1. So now, you're going to go back to your AND chart. So instead of just using the affirmative, you're also going to use your negative. So now we need our 2 most convincing proofs. So what's the first most convincing proof you see on that negative column? She what?
She yelled at us.
Okay. Okay. Number 1, because the white witch yelled. Okay. So we've got our counterproof number 1, and then you have your summary of support. Do you remember how many subproofs they need? Is that 2 or 3? Okay. So you're gonna get there. 3 subproofs is your summary of support, and those can all go, like it says, summary of support in this one box. That can all go into 1 sentence or a couple of sentences. It doesn't have to be super elaborate. We're not writing a second essay. We're just hitting the highlights. So our 3 subproofs are what? What is a subproof that you should not go because she yelled? Yelling shows us that she's what?
Angry.
Angry.
Uncontrolled.
Uncontrolled.
Evil. Evil.
A yelling evil.
Right.
Great.
You're welcome.
Now, this is all in one paragraph. Now you're going to tell us why these are inadequate reasons. This is what the other side is going to tell you, that she's angry, she's uncontrolled, and she's evil. But that is not convincing because
Okay. Yeah. Good, Amber.
because she is powerful
She's a powerful queen.
and she's the queen. And ultimately, that's what matters.
Yes.
Right. Okay, and then you're going to do a second one. So we did 3 main proofs, but we're only going to do 2 refutations.
Okay.
So now we're going to do a new paragraph. Our second refutation is going to be what? What else is convincing?
She's a stranger.
Stranger. Stranger danger. Okay, what are my 3 subproofs that he should not go with her because she's a stranger?
Well, siblings wouldn't
Right.
know. Like if he got lost, they
Right.
wouldn't know how to get to him.
Okay, his siblings couldn't find him.
Well, and he doesn't know where he's, like, he doesn't know.
He
He doesn't know the land.
Yeah.
There's no background there.
He doesn't know where to find himself. And a third one. Lucy warns him. Let's see, she's a stranger. Well, maybe. Yeah, and yeah, Lucy warns him. So
Yeah.
he already has. The only knowledge he knows about her is what Lucy said.
Which was
Lucy
not good.
warned him. Yeah.
Don't do it.
Okay, and then we're going to say, but these are not adequate because what's really important here is,
She took him into us alone.
that's right.
Wow.
She cared for him.
She speaks life over him.
Yes.
You can be this.
That's
Yeah,
right.
she's gonna
She
make
did
it
all
a
that. She
thing.
cared for him. She
Yeah.
spoke life over him. Yep, that's great. Okay, now you're going to do a third paragraph, and I'm running out of space. So your third paragraph is just going to be a summary of the 2 we just did. Okay? So to wrap it up, she yelled, but that doesn't matter because she's powerful. And she is a stranger, but that doesn't matter because she cared for him. Okay? So just that little summary of the refutation.
Hey teachers, thanks for popping in and watching this video. If we haven't met before, hi, I'm Erica Lynn and I'm a homeschooling mom. I have 4 kids and I have been teaching them for over 10 years now. We use a classical approach to schooling, so I've been using My Father's World and Classical Conversations. It's my goal to help homeschooling become easy for you too. So I'm taking all the tips and tricks that I have learned over the years and I'm putting them here for you to see. So congratulations on making it to the end of the video. Would you just pop a hearts emoji into the comments so that I know you watched the whole thing? Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And be sure to subscribe and ring the bell. And if you liked this video about the LTW curriculum, you need to check here to see the next video in this series. You guys have a great day, and remember, you are already enough.